Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a gorgeous car. It's a 1937 Ford. It's a OZE body and built by one of the Ridler winners, right?
Roger Burman.
Roger
Lakeside
Burman.
Rods and Rides.
It's killer build, man. Everywhere you look, it's just artwork. So tell us a little bit about it. How long have you owned it?
I got it 10 years.
Okay.
An LS1 4L60E transmission, 9-inch Ford rear, air suspension, air ride technology, Wilwood brakes, 6 piston front calipers, Bluetooth, everything.
Beautiful. So you won a couple shows, huh?
A lot of shows. We have it's a multi-best in show winner.
The last one you had
Twice this car won,
right?
Best in show with 1,000 car field.
It's a beautiful two-tone paint. Right now it's on the slowest setting, the air ride. Power trunk. These are Budnik wheels. The leather is so soft in this car. It's, I believe, an alligator. We got full air ride, power windows. Looks like I did it tilt wheel. Chrome. 4,533 miles on the build. Kenwood system, vintage air conditioning, 4-speed automatic transmission, and just artwork. This airbrush and pinstripe goes through the door jambs and throughout the car. There's your locks for the suicide doors. And even the headliner is leather. Actually has working wipers, huh?
Yep.
Can you fire it up? Let's check out under the hood. how the pinstripe, it's all airbrushed. Goes down the car, through here, in the jam, then even meets up in this jam here. Just awesome. Can you pop the hood? There she is, fuel injected LS1, chrome, everything. Nice big aluminum radiator. Painless wiring system. Mild build, very reliable, streetable. Can you show me the air ride? Like bring it up and then put it on the driving setting. So that's driver height, right? That is awesome. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from WeBe Autos. Feel free to give me a call. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures and full information on our website. It's webeautos.com. Thanks a lot for showing us your car. It's beautiful. Work hard.
Thank you.